Here's a simple tutorial how you can get free Matic coins. Free, legit. Let's get started. Go to AAVE. This is AAVE dashboard. No deposit yet. Click deposit now. I'm using Matic, MetaMask from Matic. Super fast, super quick. Click max deposit. That's the 50 bucks DAI that I got in my account. Just make it nice. 50. Click continue. See how super fast it is. Click deposit. Open my MetaMask. Here's the fee, 0.001. 10 seconds later, success. I click on dashboard. Let's see what we got to finish step 1. Step 1 in my dashboard, I have $50 worth of DAI. That's paying me 2.8% paid in AAVE plus 3.43% paid in Matic. What am I doing with this? I'm gonna click here, nothing bored yet. Click board now. I'm gonna take a loan and they're gonna pay me to take this loan. How amazing is this? So I'm paying $3.94 to get the loan, but I'm also get paid $4.38, which offset all of this and leaves me a little more. If you want to go even crazier, take a loan in Matic, pay $5.78 and get paid 15.9% in Matic. But for this example, click on DAI. How much I want to borrow. It says the maximum that I can borrow is based on the 50 bucks that I have, 37. I'm not gonna do max, I'm gonna do half, let's say like 20 bucks, 18 bucks. You want this health factor right here to stay above 2, which is 50% loan to value. Click continue. Click API the $3.94. That's what that's what it cost me to pay. It doesn't include what Matic pays me. Click continue. Variable fee $2.22 is healthy. It's green. Click borrow. Open MetaMask again. They're gonna tell me that it's gonna take 0.001 fees. Go check Ethereum for like $400 or $500 fees as of right now with all the crazy. Click approve. Wait 10 seconds or so. Let's summarize what we have done. We have deposited $50 stable coin DAI. On that, I'm getting 2.79% annual return plus free 49% annual return paid to me in Matic. I took that 50 bucks and I put a collateral and I got another $18. That's the leverage of DeFi. And this is like super basic DeFi, so you understand the power of this. I borrowed 18 bucks based on that 50. I'm paying for that loan 3.94%, but it gets offset by the 4.51% paid to me by Matic just to borrow DAI based on my DAI. If you like what you see, click the plus to follow. Yep.